Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I did my pink bad kitty today. I'm going to go ahead and start with using my all black out contacts from the third eye. And I went ahead and applied those. Then I went ahead and used my Bow Buggles Pro palette, and I went ahead and used the pinks and purples mixed together to kind of create my bottom base. And I did this on my chest and my face. Okay, so I have my base down on my chest and I'm doing my face base now, and I'm kind of doing it in a contour. That way I can go ahead and highlight certain areas with a lighter color. Okay, so using some Ben Nye cream paints, I went ahead and created a lighter pink or purple color, and I'm highlighting certain areas on the face using that cream base. And I always find that it's easier to use a cream paint on top of a water activated paint rather than the opposite, using a water paint on a cream. I just find this way is just a little bit easier to blend, as you can tell. And I am using my beauty blender rather than a regular makeup brush, just because I find this is a lot easier and smoother. So just highlighting those areas, and I'm just blending. And I did draw where I'm gonna be putting the mouth at. So I kind of left that area blank because we're gonna go ahead and draw some teeth, as you're gonna see in just a second. So I left that area alone. And I just grabbed some darker color cream paints from those palettes, and I'm putting some dark eyeshadow-ish color on. I did put my black contact in on this side, so this eye is going to be kind of the dark eye. And I am making sure that I'm going down on my lower lash line with that color, kind of going around my eye, connecting it from top to bottom, making sure I'm going through my eyebrows, making it the same color. I'm kind of just fading it out just so it's kind of a smoother transition, using my beauty blender again to kind of blend that out. And I did want that cream paint to stay and not kind of move around my eyelid. So I'm just going in with a dark purple eyeshadow, and I'm kind of just setting that cream paint. And now for the mouth part, we're going to go ahead and just start with white, just because this is easier for me if I make any mistakes. But I'm just going to go ahead and start drawing on my teeth. And for the color of my teeth, I kind of wanted them to be a muddyish yellow. So I used my Bow Buggles yellow and orange mixed together to kind of create that color I wanted. And I'm just going back with a black paint now, and I'm kind of just outlining those teeth. Instead of with white, it's going to be black. And just going back into those Ben Nye cream paints, I'm using a red to create my gums, or the inside of my mouth. And I'm using a white paint now to create the outside part of the mouth, or what might be considered a lip. And I'm using my little Huda Beauty palette as my dark purple eyeshadow that I did use on my eyelid and what I'm using now. I'm just kind of creating a shadow part of the mouth, and you're going to see that this kind of makes it look more 3D-ish and a little bit more standout-ish instead of kind of just a flat paint. And I'm going to do some little details on the face with some black veining. And I actually did get this whole idea from an Instagram artist. I'll go ahead and tag the artist in the description below. But this was his look and his idea that I thought was really cool. And I'm going back with my Bo Buggles pink, and I'm kind of doing a spattering effect all over my chest. And I'm going to go ahead and use that same color and create these little cute hearts going down my neck. And once I did shape those hearts out the way I wanted, I went back and colored them in. And I did get the inspiration from an Instagram artist. On his art photo, it showed the ribs kind of forming into a heart as well. So when I do my ribs, I'm kind of bending them into a heart shape, like you're going to see in just a second. And I threw on my purple wig and some kitty cat ears, and I called it a day. Hope you guys like. Thank you for watching.